I used to be chubby, bro. With bug teeth, bro. I was the definition of Bugs Bunny. I guess who say Philly Church say today we in a tractor plane, tractor parkour. 37 check 37 checkpoints, alright. We all went through that new feature unlocked period too. Yeah. So these checkpoints better be right next to each other. Not gonna lie. You need to understand what feature I am talking about. Like when you see a chick, I know which one you're talking about, bro. I know which one. I just can't keep it, not doing too much because I need to like calm down with like that stuff too a little bit. Hey, look at this. Got it all under control. You feel me? I ain't saying too much because, I try to keep PG for YouTube too a little bit. But I feel like YouTube should just be PG though. The classic joke to driving tractor, yo. On the tractor race. I've been pretty good though. Can't say. Almost had one mess up, but I saved it. Have you drove a tractor? I have a Toyota to race. Oh, nice. Have you ever drove a tractor though? Or no? My Toyota gets your tractor. I'll win. Yes, I have. Oh, nice. I don't know why I moved. I had that perfectly in line too. This is, quickly. It's a little jump. Ah, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ah, we have farmlands here in UP. Yeah. I mean, some people drive, right? But some people don't at the same time. Gotta rework this. Let's get a couple honks in. Oh, it's going upwards a bit too. Okay, I'm a fall in. Hold on, let's control that. If I want to follow this, I'm gonna let it to our business, man. Ah, nice. You know what, let me use this. This tractor don't got no turning radius. This is American tractors. So I could just turn without having need these side supports, but I clearly need them. Look at this. Alright, there we go. Oh, just our farmers, right? Yeah. Farmers or warriors. We seem to be doing those two mostly. Sometimes they are both warriors and farmers at the same time. And I have a farmland too. I thought you had rather than a bunny up. Yeah. I mean, you could be anything, bro. Having land is good. I don't know about in India nowadays, especially with your Modi and stuff like that. You be ruining things. A lot more less farms are in India now. Like it's getting cut down a lot. Modi's got everything changed. For a second, he has a favorite several female ministers. Yeah, I know that. Bro, like I see him like he doesn't run for election, right? Like two people was running, right? And out of nowhere he just won the last second on the last day. We got 37 checkpoints, goddamn. I can't believe we let the Gujarati take over India. That too, extremist one. Yeah. I mean, we just destroyed our whole secular ecosystem here. That's what I'm saying. Technically, Modi just destroyed the whole economy or yours, like India, but like they're growing, but it's fucked at the same time. Like, make that make sense. I'm getting kind of impatient. Nah, I'm good. I didn't want to bore you guys off me going slowly because you had to go slow there a bit. Full speed ahead. Oh damn, full speed is a horrible idea. No more full speed, bro. Because if these wave hits me, I'm done. There's no development in North India at all. Development is happening in Gujarat. Ah. What do you think is worse, Ahmedabad or Delhi? Like, normally those are like the most area people live at. Oh my god. His home state. Uh, yeah. How was he gonna do it for his day, bro? Oh my god, he added a boost there. Mumbai and Delhi are most populous. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, he spawned me backwards. Nice, nice. W map maker. What type of beat? Want to go backwards? Can you do run over the tigers? Nah. I don't know what I'm thinking. Why would that be a thing? It's crazy. This is very risky, but we going forward. Everybody like, everybody's like move abroad, yeah. They don't think about struggles there. You know what I'm saying? Like, some people like some parents just send the kids out, but they don't understand, like, they basically depend on you there. Oh my god, who put... I wonder if I could skip this and boost all the way there. Nope, can't. Please say something? Yeah. Most of them are sitting unemployed or doing low-end jobs. That's true. Also, because I was unconfident with that. In real life, I tried to resist that's what's gonna happen, but in this game, it didn't. Someone boost off. They're going crazy right now. You know what? Ain't fighting. There we go, there we go. All around, I'm confused. This way, yo. My left and right confused a bit. I'm not rusty. I'm basically here. Alright, there we go. Yes, sir. Boy, you made this map long for a tractor. It's easy to hold the track up. You know, there are some people on Twitch which are sitting unemployed in Canada after studying from top tier college and calling me say, yeah, look at me, bro. I was born and raised, but look at me. I'm unemployed. But like, I always wanted to do this, bro. Like, I always like to make content because like I love editing videos and having fun. Like for me, it's fun. It's not like, oh, I'm because like when I like to work, like I like to enjoy it. Like I also enjoy doing like actual engineering. Weirdly enough. No, no, bro. I didn't mean that. Mean what? I don't know. I know what you mean. I'm just stating the fact that I am also one. I'm talking about the streamer, not you. I know. I know you're talking about like certain streamers, but like I'm saying like I will like feel like that too, you know. But not making fun of other stuff. Like I don't care if you're unemployed. Honestly, I don't like how money is our system of profit. I feel like it should be, you know, like every year, right? You are not unemployed. You do part time. How? Because I basically put an 8 hour shift in. I don't do part time. I don't work no way no more. I be trying, but companies not having it, especially in the field I like. Cause it's tough right now with the market. Cause Biden messed it up. But you live in America, it's a place to build the dreams. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Can't be serious in this dumbass democracy. You're in a much better position than mine. Yeah, I know that. Typical Indian, ignoring the rules. Put it on this. Let's work, but you know, just had to make a quick joke. You feel me? Oh my god, bro. Imagine if I could do a weird straight. If I was in America, there would be no pressure on me about college. Yeah, that's true. Education is way easier over here. The grading system is sorry, but education system is easier. I could have easily dropped out. I mean, if you dropped out, right, it's on your papers, it doesn't look good. Like, it would get frowned up on. Wouldn't look too good. No board exams. Ah, that's what you mean. Uh, yeah. We do have like midterm exams and final exams. That's about it. No parents beating children. I mean, I got a couple beatings, but like verbally, not physically, because like at the end of the day, they knew it was a piece of paper. If you just fail once or twice, nothing really happens. They just want you to focus, be like, oh, focus again and do better. You see, like how I faded, they can be like, what is he doing? He do it and do it correct, you know. You don't have board exams. Yeah, we just do finals. But that's about it. Yeah, it's regular exams. That's what I'm saying. Well, I like in the technology we live in with like AI and stuff. Even like the corporate and companies use AI nowadays. You know, also what I've been thinking, like how people used to think they wanted like futuristic glasses, right? That could do this and that, and people said that's weird and waste of money. But then there's like Ray-Bans now, and we love in a car innovation. Did you meant to say live? Yeah, live in the car innovation. I mean, then you're not wrong. They do love that innovation of cars. For I'm doing this one easier somehow. It's because I know how free will works now in this game with this tractor. There we go. 1-4. This way, this way. Oh, me off is discriminating here because I am an idiot. Yeah. We just hit him, you're not anymore. I consume meat a lot. Yeah, that's dumb. Oh, do I have stick for it? What's the hell happening? Is my wheel dented or something? There we go. My wheel might be dented. Let's go from this way then. I don't got stick for it, but it was stuck there. At least I'm not grass like Mr. Patel. Yeah. I don't get that. I could never be vegetarian, bro. But imagine time being vegetarian in America, bro. Eating outside food would not be hitting for you. They be making pasta taste ass. Like, how you fuck that up? But I think my title is definitely lodged sideways. Look at it, it's not moving. Yeah, it is. Well, I'm just open the door without staying. I'm just gonna see, Turn the boost, please. Turn the boost. Take it up, take it up. Let's go. On speed. And then boost. Up boost. Alright, there you go. There you go. Please stay on. Please stay on. Thank you. I love you. No homo. Fine, about time I got this one though. Getting a little too eager though. Not gonna lie. No, 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 no. Wiggle, let me wiggle left a bit. Get my wheels lined up. Phew, finally. That took me a good 12 minutes, I think. He almost done. The 26. Then I think he just spammed checkpoints at the end here. Boost, yes sir. Let's get some speed. But why they make tractors so slow like this? Normal tractors are way faster than this. Oh, it's probably because it's the old game and the old tractors used to be like this slow. Now what's that? Tell me. See, one way to find out, I guess. We'll put that up like, like it was gonna make a difference. Do I fly or do I? Ah, nah, I don't got fly. If that goes down like that, that means I gotta hit the finish line there. Yeah, finish line gonna be there. That's the one checkpoint. Ooh, almost off-centered on that one. Make sure I'm in the middle. Oh, he put a slow down there. Well, good thing I ain't slowed down myself. Because I was gonna fall straight back down. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's been me playing Tractor. By Tractor, his Central Neri, his Raceable Rigor. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, we got this boost. Ah, that how it is. Ensure that you are able to exit vehicle, collect weapons, and kill your opponents. How you use it again? What the hell? I didn't get it. What was the boost way? Look, I forgot. Do I click left stick right? Oh my god. There we go. There we go. Oh my god. He covered it. Damn, not the best landing though. Could go right. A repair kit. Oh, this booster, we could use this. Oh, Mr. Boost there. Oh. With the boost there. Let's actually get that loop done fully nicely first. This is out of power. Yeah, I basically did the main part. That wasn't too hard. Same. Okay. I want to do the. Oh wait, that was rockets. Alright, we got the checkpoint. We go. Finish line already.